and welcome to lesson 34. In this lesson we'll go over the character and paragraph panels. So let's begin. First we'll type some text. Lesson 34 is running. Okay, then we can either access the character panel from here or from here, but this is easier since it stays open all the time. We can choose a font, so let's say this one. Who knows? You can choose your own one. Doesn't matter anyway. So then we can move on to choosing a font size. You can just scale, as I said in previous versions. Then you can set the space between lines. Let me show you. Put some lines here. Obviously this is not the most understandable text, so we can increase the text, or we can just switch it back to oak. Usually it's a good idea when dealing with text to use this default size from 4 to 10 points. That's about the right size. So let's say 32 for the best legibility. Then we can set the tracking. Same, you can add up to 10 or to 12. Usually about 8 is okay. Maybe we can change the font to something nicer. Okay, this is better. Then you can change the vertical scale if you want. Let's keep it at 100%. The horizontal scale, you can change the baseline shift like this, but we'll make it 0 again. You can change the rotation of the, so you get something very interesting. Then you can make all caps, small caps. You should choose fonts that have default small caps and not use the Illustrator method, but if you don't have any option, you can use it. You can make superscript, so let's say lesson 24, and you can make it superscript, subscript, underline, or lined out. We can change the language. We got a couple of here. And finally, we can change the anti-aliasing method. And let me make a few copies to show you what I mean. And then the first one is called sharp, which is the default one. We'll make the next one crisp, and the last one strong. You can see there is a visible difference between them. Strong is usually for titles and such, and those are more for paragraph or quotes. Okay, let's move on to the paragraph, and this shows how you can arrange text. First, you got a line left, a line center, or a line right. One other thing you can do the text, if you click this is only in CC, so just click it and you can make it an area text. Again, you click it and it's a normal text. Very nice. So let's make it center for now. Then you can choose the justification. So you can put left, center, align left, or justify all lines, which is usually not good looking. Then what you can do is increase the indentation for the first line. Maybe you can select just the first line, like this, or white indent, or this. You can also change the space before paragraph and after paragraph, and you get the idea. There is also the last option called hyphenate. So if we make it, let's make it LFI first, you can make it as most, and you can see that it hyphenates. But if you disable it, the word will go on the next line. Okay, there is one more I want to show you. Let's see if I find it. Type, and there is glyphs and open type. You can change table line, proportional, and various options related to open type. Then you also have the glyphs option, and you can insert various glyphs directly. You can see all the options you have for entire font, like line figures, local font, and so on. Here, and you can change the font, and you can choose the typeface, and so on. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, this is enough for this lesson, and see you next time. Thank you.